Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G, Gareth here. I'm going to alter this Tealight holder from Poundland. They reduced them to 50p, but I believe by the time this video goes out they will be back up to £1, but even for £1 they're very worth the money. I shared some pictures on Facebook and I had people message me and ask me to record a video. So I've got this faux kind of, it's a really big fan coral, but it's faux, it's plastic, so I'm just going to snip off some bits of that and use that on the display. I've got some little starfish, I've got some nautical rope, I've got some white cherry blossom. These are the hydrangea heads from the hydrangea bushels from Poundland, and they come in different sizes. So I've just taken off a cluster of heads and cut them loose. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add two little loops to come off of my Tealight holder. So I'm just going to cut this rope. They don't have to be overly big, and I want them roughly the same size, so I'm just going to use the first one I cut off as a guide. I've got my hot glue gun heating up to the side here, so I'm going to glue those together. And then put some glue on the reverse and put those on my Tealight holder. And do the same thing okay, and then I'm simply just going to pick up some items and hot glue them on. Now there is no wrong or right way. Like floral arrangements, you have to do it so it is aesthetic, I can't even get the word out now, so that it is pleasing to your eye. It's the aesthetics you need to look for. And not everyone's aesthetics are the same. Some people like a certain type of decor, others like more frilly decor. It is total personal preference. One other thing I've got, crafters, is this bag of shells. So I will be putting some lovely seashells all over this as well. Oh look, there's one there that are still together. How cute. And I will put these so they're facing up. I will have them so they're got these strings. This must be one of those, my older glue sticks, because the new ones I bought recently don't have so many strings, so this must be one remnants of an old one. Just going to bring it up and show you every now and then. You just got to layer it, really. You just got to put things which you think are pleasing to your eye. So just put that one there. Let's have another piece of this faux. One thing I will advise you to be careful is don't go too far in here, because then you won't be able to fit your candle in. Now you could use Tealight candles, but I would use the battery operated LED ones, or you could use one of the thin, narrow, squatty, what do you call them, pillar candles, and that's what I've used in one of the other ones I've created. The first one I've created, I actually glued it to one of these, so it's double the height. So that's something you may want to do. Then you have two, you know, you've got two of them but at two different heights. Just popping that inside the hydrangea flower. If this is too thick, just cut it down, so that way your flower will sit more flush to the tea light holder. Tool crafters, and that is as simple as the job is. It's just gluing some decorative and nautical beach seaside items in areas where you want them. So it's really simple, and I think it looks really effective. Thank you very much for joining me, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.